test. Now we're going to move on to track 2. And if track 1 didn't make you feel a certain way, it didn't relieve anything just yet, give it time. But we're going to move on to track 2, and you let me know how this one makes you feel. It's about 2 minutes long, so give it a chance, and here it is. We're going to play it now.